Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Chaudhary. I am doing MBA first year in SI Institute of Management. Today, I am going to tell a story of a film, Dhadkan. Dhadkan films. Dhadkan film is released in 2000 and which is directed by Dharmesh Darshan and produced by Ratan Jain. The Dhadkan is known in English is heartbeat. Heartbeat means a dhadkan. In Hindi, the name is Dhadkan. And in this film, the stars are Sunil Shetty, Shilpa Shetty, Akshay Kumar, and Kiran Kumar are in leading role. At the starting of the film, Anjali is from very rich family, whose father is Narendra Chauhan. Narendra Chauhan, who is a renowned businessman. At first, Anjali is in love with Dev, who is from poor family, who is living with his mother in the small house, and Anjali is very richest woman. And in that day, at once, Anjali's father went to Delhi. And he came back with a marriage of Anjali with a same wealthy person whose name is Ram, who is very kind in his nature. And when after come back and while telling a truth about that story of Delhi, what happened in Delhi, why he was there, it means that Anjali's father was telling to her. In that she knows his father fixed her marriage with Ram, but she refused to marry with Ram, and she told all the story about she is fallen with love. She is deeply in love with Dev, who is from poor family. And after that, for the pleasure of Anjali, his parents decided to meet with Dev. And in that same day, Anjali went to the Dev's house and meet him out of house at somewhere. And when she met him and told him, "Ki don't be arrogant, and with nice dress meet with my father in my house." And she has fixed meeting in the next morning. When Dev meets her father, and he end up with disappointing Anjali's parent by his attitude and arrogance. Narendra reject his proposal because his attitude and behavior was not good. And he decided to marry Anjali to that wealthy person, Rams. But she does not want upset her parent, and she also accept the proposal of marriage with Ram. And after some days, same time Dev was also very upset, and Dev told this all story to his mother. And after listening this story, the mother of Dev died. And the second hand, Anjali is getting married to Ram, the boy who her parent believes that he was a best person for her. Ram is a man of great idea who believe in giving rightful place to his wife and respect her sensitivity. Despite this, he is unable to win Anjali's love at first, but after some days, Anjali is fallen in love of Ram by magnanimity of Ram's heart in forgiving and accepting her. Anjali realized that she has fallen in love with Ram and they happily enjoy their wedding life. And after 3 years, they have a marriage anniversary, third marriage anniversary. In that marriage anniversary, they have invited one relative of them, Mrs. Malhotra, and in the same celebration, the Dev is also was there, and Dev is a guest of that Malhotra family. And but now after 3 years, Dev is a very rich man. With a well settled person. And in this situation, Anjali finds himself on a crossroad where she would stand for her husband with whom she is deeply in love, or with her former love Dev, who still want to reunite with her. But Anjali chooses that she will stand with her husband Ram. Even though it pains how hurts Dev in his life in future also. When Anjali tells Dev that she is deeply loving Ram, please go back from my life. But Dev cannot stand rejection for a second time, and he sets a plan to ruin Ram's life. But in that days, this goes on for some time, causing turbulence and turmoil in their life, Ram's and Anjali's life. At once, in that situation, Anjali meets to Dev and tell him she is very deeply in love with Ram, so please leave her alone. And also Anjali tells us she is pregnant for a child of Ram. And then they realize his folly. And decided to go out from their life for their happy married life. And he has decided to marry with her Sheetal Verma, who is current partner of his business, and he also decided to go London. It means that he decided to go completely out of their life of Anjali and Ram, and it's a happy ending of that film. Okay, thank you.